Welcome! If you've been receiving Gmail call notifications on your lock screen and want to stop them from showing up, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps on how to turn off Gmail call notifications on your lock screen quickly and easily. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your phone settings. This is where you manage everything about your apps and notifications. Scroll until you find the option labeled Apps and tap on it. Inside the Apps menu, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Scroll through or use the search bar to find Gmail. Tap on Gmail to open its app-specific settings. Here, look for the option called Notifications and tap on it. This section lets you control what kinds of alerts Gmail can send you, including email notifications, chat alerts, and yes, call notifications. Next, tap on Notification Categories. These categories divide the types of notifications based on their purpose and urgency. Among these, find and select the category named Changes to Ongoing Calls. This is where notifications related to active or incoming Gmail calls are controlled. Once you're inside the Changes to Ongoing Calls category, look for the lock screen option. This setting determines whether these specific notifications appear when your phone is locked. Tap on Lock Screen and you'll see a few different options for how notifications behave. To stop Gmail call notifications from showing on your lock screen, choose Don't Show Notifications. This ensures these notifications remain hidden when your screen is off, helping you avoid unwanted interruptions or privacy issues. And that's it. You've now successfully turned off Gmail call notifications on your lock screen. If you ever want to bring them back, just follow these same steps and select a different option under the lock screen menu. Thanks for watching.